Hello guys, welcome back to a new craft tutorial. Today, I will show you how I made this beautiful unicorn pen holder. And of course, my secrets in creating such unique DIY craft at home. But first, consider subscribing and turn on the bell notification never to miss an update. Let's straight jump to the making. This is a unicorn color specialty glitter beads from Recollections. I am adding a few here before adding the resin. It will be challenging to add them mixed with the resin at the bottom of the mold. The beads may not be uniform and will be difficult to remove from the walls when wet. So I am sprinkling them directly from the bottle and making sure they are approximately equal in all the mold's four sides. I am pushing down the remaining glitters that stick to the mold walls with a toothpick. Once the glitters are at the desired area, I am adding some clear resin. Blow out any air bubbles with a heat gun. These are iridescent colored unicorn shaped specialty glitter, again from Recollections. Just hold them one by one with a pointy tweezer and dip them carefully in the clear resin. I am adding 2 unicorns at each side. Adjusting them to the desired position with a toothpick. This is how they look from the side. You may not appreciate it now, but wait when I take it out from the mold. The next day, in a cup, I am adding the Artistry sky blue mica powder and some cotton white to make the color light. Add some clear resin and stir well. To this mix, I am adding some frost color extra fine glitters to make it sparkly and mix it again. Using a plastic pipette, add the resin in our mold, making sure the walls are untouched. Dropping the resin with a pipette avoid any mess, and we can better control the exact quantity of resin we need. Pop up any air bubbles with a heat gun. The next day, I am taking dusk purple mica powder and adding a little cotton white and mixing them in resin in a small cup. This is fairy dust extra fine glitters, adding for a shimmer effect. Mix it well. I am taking them in a pipette and add it slowly in a mold precisely till the same level as the sky blue color. Burst off all the air bubbles with a heat gun and toothpick. After the purple colored resin is set, I add the latest green mica powder in a cup with freshly mixed resin and mix it. Add some fluorescent green glitters and stir till it is a uniform mix. Fill the pipette with the resin and pour it in the mold. Make sure to maintain the level with the previous colors. The following day, when the green color resin is set, I am warming the mold. The white part of the mold that is visible is the base of the pen holder, adding at the center a few drops of resin and placing one unicorn here. In some clear resin, I am adding the unicorn colored specialty glitter beads and stir them. Warm up the mold and pour the resin to fill up the mold entirely and leave it for a day to cure. After a couple of days, I took off the set resin from the mold. It wasn't easy, and I needed the help of an extra two hands. So far, this was the most challenging mold I have encountered, and I didn't want to shoot my struggle in removing the set piece from the mold. Anyways, the result is so satisfying, so no complaints. Here's a close-up. You can see these wonderful glitter beads, and above it the three unicorn colors. They are all at the equal height. This is the advantage of using a pipette, and those lovely unicorns are so adorable. This is an aerial view. You can appreciate all the specialty glitter beads that complement the single unicorn at the center. I hope you guys loved it. Comment down below the video and give your input on what you think about this beautiful craft. This is up for sale and enlisted in Etsy shop Me Artistry with many different new items. The link is in the description below. Do subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Bye.